welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are going to be unboxing my Colourpop mystery box. I think I paid $45 for this.
That's the mystery.
What's the mystery?
What you paid for it.
Yeah. Hello, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer. This is my husband, Aaron. On my channel, I do lots of stuff makeup related, and we do unboxing videos together, and I do talk about mental health issues as well. Don't forget, tomorrow night on Sunday, what's tomorrow? The 10th, we are doing a live stream, so at 7 o'clock Central PM, so be there for that. If you are interested in any of that and you are new here, please, I would love it if you would hit subscribe and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. So let's see, I've done a couple of Colourpop unboxings and I've been pretty impressed with the stuff that they have put in them before. I also forget what the retail value
Well, let's see what's in
this
there.
box is supposed to be.
Bubble wrap. That's
Yeah.
my favorite.
There is
Colourpop makes really good bubble wrap.
definitely a lot of stuff in here. First thing I'm seeing
Technically,
is
do you
this.
think would this qualify as a crap load?
It's a lot. First I'm seeing here is a Super Shock Shadow. Wow, and it is in the shade Tassel.
Yeah.
Let me, oops!
You'll kill us all.
Okay. Let me try to bring down the lights a little bit.
Sometimes filming is tricky.
What?
Nothing. Gotta angle it.
There we go. Okay, that is the Super Shock shade. That is really pretty and sparkly.
It is.
Wow, that is really nice. So we got that. Here, I will put you in charge of stuff over there.
Hooray.
We have a quad here. It is called Acai You Baby. Wow, that is a pretty quad.
Some nice berries there.
Right.
Oh, am I supposed to keep them in the things here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we have another quad here called On the Mango. Really pretty there. I don't know, Gloria from Beauty After 50 told me that she saw some of these unboxing videos and she did her own unboxing and she said everybody's getting the same thing. I don't know if that is true.
That's not a mystery at all.
If you've seen some unboxings, so let me know down below if everybody is getting the same thing.
Colourpop, stop your lies.
Okay, we got a mascara, the Colourpop Level Up Lengthening Mascara. It looks like this. I'm not going to open it up because I have lots of mascaras open right now.
Gives you eyelashes +1.
But that is what it looks like.
Comes in some sort of tube.
And then we got a color sticks. Wait, I had it there a minute. And let's see, it is in the color
Coffee shop?
Coffee Shop. I've never used their color sticks before.
Which is appropriate because it costs like $8, right?
Why that?
Because coffee costs like $8. Ooh, fancy.
That is what it looks like right there. Okay, then we got something from Fourth Rate Beauty. It is called Do It. It is their hydrating hyaluronic mist. That is
You
pretty
can just
cool.
walk through a cloud of hyaluronic acid just wherever you go.
That is what it looks like.
Get a big thing, like put it in your ceiling sprinklers and just, yeah.
Okay, there's not as much stuff in here.
Ooh, and it has lingonberry. Yeah,
Lingonberry.
lingonberry.
Okay, then there looks like there is a lipstick in here.
Nice.
What does that say?
Fresh Kiss Lip Lacquer. Maybe it's a liquid one.
Okay, I've never tried this before. It is in the color. What does it say?
Sidecar.
Sidecar. That is a pretty color. It is deeper than what it is showing. We've got the lights. We still got the brightness turned up. But it is a lot darker than what it is showing here. And then we've got Colourpop by the Bushel Lippy Scrub. I've got so many lip scrubs. This will probably go into a giveaway. But it looks like this. And I am guessing it is strawberry flavored because it has little strawberries on it.
It's a good clip.
Then we've got from Fourth Rate Beauty, So Radiant Brightening Eye Cream. That's cool. I want to smell this.
Fourth Rate. For a second, I thought you said Fourth Rate. It's like, it's not a good name. for a
Fourth
brand.
Rate.
Pineapple-y or something.
Looks like it might be orangey.
Like mustard.
It doesn't have a smell to it, but that's what it looks like.
So radiant. Oh, that's a radiant. Oh my god.
And then we have Coco Loco, another lippy scrub.
Your lips are going to be scrubbed within an inch of their little lives.
And then we have, oh, Colourpop Flat Kabuki Brush.
Oh.
I'm going to open this from the bottom. Maybe that was a bad idea. Okay, I'll get this. I'll get it right.
You can't hide in there for long. Oh. Fancy looking.
Get back in there. I don't really use brushes like that too much. So I don't know. How about that? When life gives you melons. Watermelon face polish.
Sounds kind of aggressive.
What is it? Can you read about that?
Fresh, fruity watermelon face polish for a revitalized, healthy glow. Superfine sugar and poppy seeds, capitalized, gently exfoliated while antioxidant-rich
not exfoliated.
watermelon seed oil. So not the rest of the watermelon, just the seeds, just the oil out of the seeds. Balances and restores dull and even complexions, leaves skin looking extra polished and fresh-faced. The routine, at least not the ritual, dispense a quarter-sized amount of polish into palm. That's Westernocentric. You know, people in other areas of the world might not know what a quarter size is. You better, Colourpop.
Yeah, you're an international brand.
Massage into damp skin using circular motions, avoiding the eye area. Rinse thoroughly. Can be used every other day or as a weekly treatment. 100% cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, gluten-free.
I love a good exfoliator. Let me open this up and see what it looks like.
Hypoallergenic glass shards rip away layers of your skin to reveal other layers of your skin. Some layers of your skin are bad. Some are less bad.
It doesn't smell.
Does it smell like burning? Smell like watermelon seeds?
I guess it smells like watermelon.
Don't eat it. Watermelons will grow in your stomach.
Okay.
Is this the rune for exfoliating here?
Okay, then from fourth grade, we got the Later Hater blemish stickers.
Later hair. What does that mean? Oh, for acne. Okay, I get it.
Blemish stickers.
I thought it meant to like decorate your blemishes with.
What?
Yeah, I got them, but I'm gonna put decorations over them.
No, they're supposed to help get rid of them.
I get it. I guess that makes more sense.
Okay, and then...
But they are super cute.
Okay. I get it. Maybe Chloe would like those. You think?
Not that we're saying that Chloe has acne.
Chloe, if you're watching this, we're not saying you have acne. But if you did, maybe you would like these. Okay, then we get a palette called Plush Like Me. I haven't heard of this palette. Ooh, we've got like velvet. Feel that? Velvet designs on
Velvety.
it. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. Look at it. Look at it. It doesn't have any glitters in it. What? Why are you doing?
No glitters. I'm just kidding. That's right, I'll lie. What does that say? Oh, throwback. Okay. So I thought it said thumbtack, and I was like, stick a thumbtack in your face. I don't like that. That doesn't sound good at all.
It's got some real pretty dark reds, dark burgundies. It has like an orange in it. It's got some pinks. It's got a neutral color right here for you.
And the outside kind of looks like a couch.
What are some of these names in here?
Weird.
I can't read.
It's a weird font. Runway, ironic, slip dress, video, night, depth, TLC, velour, throwback, girl band, knee highs, flannel, velvet one.
I haven't heard of this palette. Have y'all?
Maybe it's a palette from a parallel universe.
Okay, and that was the last thing in the box.
The mystery is now gone.
I thought it was a pretty good box for $45. I think I got my money's worth. I like most all of the stuff in here. Like I said, we got the palette, we got the blemish stickers, we got the watermelon scrub.
17 different lip scrubs.
We got 2 lip scrubs and an eye cream.
That's how I remembered it.
We got a
Lip lacquer.
lacquer. We got a kabuki brush and a hydrating mist. We got a mascara and a color stick.
Got some sort of sparkly stuff.
We got a Super Shock shadow. And we got 2 quads. I
With
think
various fruit themes.
with various fruit things.
Yeah.
I think it's pretty good. What do you think, Anne?
I think it's good, and I think that the colors do pop.
I think they did pretty good because in past boxes, it seemed like a lot of throwaway stuff. These are at least really good items that I would use, I think. I can never put it back down the way it came out.
All that bubble wrap's getting you.
Yeah. Okay. Do you think this is worth $45? Let me know in the comments below. Did you get this box? Did you get the same stuff? Did you get different stuff?
Was it adequately mysterious for
Let me know everything down below in the comments. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget that we are going live tomorrow night at 7 o'clock Central. And yeah, what am I going to say next? Okay.
Hope you're having a good day.
Hope you're having a wonderful,
Wonderful
fantastic day
Fantabulous day.
out there today.
An ecstatic day.
Enjoying your weekend. And if you're not, we hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic weekend this weekend and throughout the week. And if you're having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you. What?
I like that.
And sending you out those good vibes. And remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And we will hopefully see you tomorrow night. And okay, stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.